In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix VLC lag for 4K playback. If you've ever tried to enjoy a crisp 4K video on VLC media player, but found the experience compromised by frustrating lag and choppy playback, you're definitely not alone. This can be incredibly annoying, especially when you are expecting smooth and high-quality visuals. Thankfully, there's a straightforward solution to this problem, and it involves enabling hardware acceleration within VLC media player. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to optimize your settings and enhance your viewing experience. To get started, you'll first want to launch VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the official website to ensure you're using the most recent, stable version. Once you have VLC open, direct your attention towards the top menu bar. You'll see several options here, but what you need to focus on is the Tools menu. Go ahead and click on Tools. Within the Tools dropdown, select Preferences. This will open up a new window with a host of different settings and options available for you to tweak. At this point, look for the section labeled Input Codecs. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the window. This is where we can make the necessary adjustment to improve VLC's performance. In the Input Codecs section, you will find various options laid out before you. What you're looking for is the setting labeled Hardware Accelerated Decoding. This feature is key to reducing the burden on your CPU by allowing VLC to utilize your graphics hardware to process the video instead. You'll see that the default setting might not be optimal for 4K playback, so you'll want to change it to Automatic. Selecting Automatic ensures that VLC uses hardware acceleration when it is available for your system, providing more efficient video rendering. After you've changed the setting to Automatic, you need to save this new configuration. Simply click on the Save button at the bottom of the window, and VLC will remember your preference for future use. However, for the changes to take effect immediately, it's necessary to restart VLC Media Player. Go ahead and close VLC and then reopen it. By doing this, you're resetting the program and allowing it to apply your new settings effectively. With hardware acceleration enabled, you should notice a marked improvement in how smoothly 4K videos play, free from the lag and choppiness you experienced before. This quick adjustment can make a huge difference in your viewing experience, transforming a once frustrating situation into an enjoyable 4K viewing session. Enjoy your high-definition media with the clarity and fluidity it deserves.